Is your Asus laptop feeling slow? Upgrading the HDD to an SSD and increasing RAM are the most effective ways to boost performance. Expect faster boot times, quicker application loading, and smoother multitasking. This video guides you through the process step by step. HDDs, or hard disk drives, use mechanical components with spinning platters and read-write heads, resulting in slower speeds of 50 to 150 megabytes per second. SSDs, or solid-state drives, are flash-based with no moving parts, offering speeds up to 10 times faster. Replacing your HDD with an SSD significantly improves laptop responsiveness with faster boot times, quicker application loading, and smoother overall performance. To choose the right SSD, determine your laptop's type. 2.5-inch SATA for older models, M.2 SATA for compact designs, or M.2 NVMe for the fastest performance in modern laptops. RAM, or random access memory, stores temporary data that your laptop uses to run applications. Increasing your RAM, for example from 8 GB to 16 GB or 32 GB, significantly enhances your laptop's multitasking capabilities. It's important to identify whether your laptop uses DDR4 or DDR5 RAM and ensure you match the correct speed, such as 3200 MHz. Keep in mind that some budget Asus models have soldered RAM that cannot be upgraded. Before purchasing upgrade components, use compatibility scanners from Crucial or Kingston to confirm which SSDs and RAM modules are supported for your specific Asus laptop model. Also check Asus official compatibility checker tool for your model. Using incorrect components can lead to system instability or complete failure. Additionally, verify your laptop's drive bay type, whether it uses a 2.5-inch form factor or M.2 slots. Begin the HDD to SSD replacement process by powering off your laptop and unplugging it completely. Next, open the bottom panel of your laptop. Consult iFixit or Asus guides for your specific model to locate and remove the correct screws. Disconnect the HDD by unplugging its cables, unscrew it from the mounting bracket, and carefully remove it from the drive bay. Insert the new SSD into the drive bay, secure it with screws, and reconnect the cables. If you're cloning your data, use software like Macrium Reflect to copy the HDD contents to the SSD before removing the old drive. Locate the RAM slots under a dedicated panel or within the main compartment. Eject the old RAM sticks by releasing the clips. Insert the new RAM sticks, aligning the notches. Ensure they click into place. Avoid mixing RAM brands to prevent potential instability. After completing the hardware upgrades, carefully reassemble your Asus laptop. Make sure all screws are tightened and components are properly seated. Connect the power adapter and press the power button to turn it on. As the laptop starts up, enter the BIOS setup by pressing F2 or delete repeatedly during boot. This key combination may vary by model, so refer to your Asus documentation. The BIOS interface allows you to configure hardware settings. In the BIOS, navigate to the storage or memory sections to verify that your new SSD and RAM are properly recognized. Check the drive capacity and RAM size to ensure they match what you installed. If not detected, double-check connections. To reinstall your operating system, use Rufus to create a bootable USB drive from your OS ISO file. Boot from the USB to install Windows or clone your existing system using software like Macrium Reflect. Additionally, ensure SATA mode is set to AHCI in BIOS for optimal SSD performance. After completing your hardware upgrades, focus on software optimization. Update all device drivers through Windows Update or Asus software. Optimize your system by enabling AHCI mode in BIOS and running disk cleanup tools. This ensures your new SSD and RAM perform at their best. Be aware of potential risks during upgrades. Warranty voiding is less common after 2023, but check Asus policies. Electrostatic damage can occur from static electricity. Always use an anti-static wristband to ground yourself. These upgrades can extend your laptop's usability by 3 to 5 years, providing significant value for your investment. You'll experience faster boot times, smoother multitasking, and overall improved performance. For any issues during or after the upgrade, consult Asus support or community forums like Reddit's Arsh Hardware. Asus provides official guides and support, while forums offer user experiences and troubleshooting tips. Congratulations on completing your Asus laptop upgrade. With proper care and these considerations, your device will serve you well for years to come.